Can you still see me? Hey, I can't. Hey guys, it's Michael with Matthews Landscape, and I want to bring to your attention something that we do that I don't think many people know about, and that is a sprinkler assessment. The importance of this is to obviously make sure your sprinkler system's working, but certainly this time of year, as we're seeing the hot spots, we're not necessarily getting those random downpours, summer showers as frequently. Now we have to rely on our sprinklers. And something that we do is called a sprinkler assessment. We come out and it is a flat rate, $100. The point of this is to go out and just perform a general diagnostic of your sprinkler system. The problem is everything is underground, and once we try to turn our systems on, something goes wrong, we don't necessarily know what's happening beneath the ground. So with that sprinkler assessment, we can come out properly, diagnose what is occurring, what's happening, and the benefit of that is when we do this assessment, we can draw up an estimate that will best take care of your needs and the equipment, the time, the materials, so there is no guessing game. You have something in your hands to review and look at instead of calling someone else, say they come out, they determine, hey, something's broken, and before you know it, now you're knee deep in a larger bill, larger hole than you thought you were going to be in. And so the benefit of this is to have something to go over, and even if you need to take time and you don't want to make that expense right away, that's the point of the estimate and the assessment. So if you guys have any questions, please just let us know and have a great day.